Video 18 of 100, the 10,000 hours. You've heard this in our culture. I've already mentioned it a couple times. The thing is, if you spend 10,000 hours doing something, then you will achieve some kind of some level of mastery. It's not mastery so much, in my opinion. It's the right to not have to think about it. It makes it second nature. And when you do something that becomes second nature and not have to consciously think about it, you can express yourself within that form. I don't care if it's walking down the street. You're probably pretty good at walking and don't even have to think about it. So you can pay attention to other things. You can look at a pretty girl, or you can see the birds, or you can be aware of people and smile. And there's all these other things that can happen when you're walking, right? And be part of that. That's just a stupid example, but the same things. When you do the 10,000 hours or so, do you have to? No. Like I've mentioned in the practice video, how much you need to practice. It's the intent, the focus, and your intention probably, and awareness as you practice and do these things. You can probably shortcut that. If I had to look back 30 or 50 years, in my trajectory, say, man, I could have skipped a lot and got further if I just was aware and a little more self-honest and meditative. And I'm going to learn this today. You get a lot more out of it if your time is short on this planet. If you're older, don't worry about it. You don't have to do 10,000 hours. So do what you can. And as much as you can, as much as you enjoy, and as much as you don't have pain for. So don't overdo it. You don't want to drive yourself to your shoulders are crooked like I did. I had to go through some therapy and stuff to try and straighten my shoulders. They're still kind of crooked. A lot of violinists do have crooked shoulders because we're always doing this thing. And I only did that. I did the guitar. I did the bass. And, everything was at one shoulder. So Rolfing therapy helped me some, as did some yoga and some physical therapy. All those things are good for you if you get a messed up body, but 10,000 hours, do it if you can. I've done mine 10,000 hours many times over, and it's helped me to get pretty unthinking. And more importantly, it helps, it's probably mindset. Mindset is more important than 10,000 hours.